So this is my before face. I'm gonna take some Dixon's Witch Hazel to cleanse my skin, remove all the excess oil that build up throughout the day. Take me a cotton round. You see all the gunk? Ew. Okay, so next I'm gonna brush my brows out. I'm getting ready to fill in. I have a dollar store, or I think that's a Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. I'm just gonna fill those brows in. And I do follow my natural arch, my natural shape. And that is what you see me doing here, you guys. Okay, so I'm going to take my Morphe M167 brush, and I have some LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. And I'm just going to start concealing my brows. Now I do go on the bottom with the concealer, but on the top I go with my foundation shade. Y'all look crazy. Okay. Alright, so you see me going with my foundation on the top, and I'm just gonna do that to both sides. Okay, so I'm going in with my Real Techniques brush, and I'm just gonna blend out everything. I'm blending the concealer and that foundation. And normally I would go in with translucent setting powder to set my brows because I do have oily skin. But you will see that later on in the video that I went back to set them. So now I'm just gonna take some Make Prep and Prime, and I'm just gonna prime my face and get my face ready for foundation. Before I start on my foundation, I'm going to start on my eyeshadow. I'm going to go back in with that LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee, and I'm just using that as my base. So here you will see me applying that Earthspun translucent setting powder just to set that concealer in place. So here I'm using my Morphe 350 palette. Y'all, it's my favorite. Your girl is a natural eyeshadow world. I'm not with the colors at all. But I'm going to take this brown brick reddish looking color, and I'm going to use that in my crease. So I'm applying it with my L Fluffy blending brush, and I'm just going to sweep that back and forth. So I'm going to take my Morphe M330 brush, and I'm going to go in with the shade, I think it's Cafe, out of that Morphe palette. And it's just to go in and darken my crease to give it, a little more depth. So here I'm just going back in with that brick reddish color, and I'm just blending it out some more. Because no matter what colors you put down, as long as you blend them in, you got a look. And so I'm just going in. I'm going to darken my crease up a little bit more. Here I am applying my NYX glitter glue, and I'm just going to apply that to my lid, just so the pigment that I will be using, it adheres and sticks really good. I'm going to use a pigment, and I think it's by Naked Cosmetics. It came in my Ipsy bag, and the name of it is Naturally Nude. It's like a rosy gold pinkish color, and it's really pretty. So here I'm taking NYX cream eyeliner with my Morphe eyeliner brush. I normally use Elf's cream eyeliner, but Ulta was out, so I had to get this one. I mean, it's pretty good, but I would prefer the Elf's cream eyeliner. That's just my personal preference. So I'll be applying these lashes by Kiss, and I got these from Ulta also. I normally wear the Broadway lashes in the style Demi Wispies, but gotta switch it up a little bit. These are really good. This is my first time trying these lashes out, and I really do like them. So I already applied my foundation, and I'm just going in with my under eye concealer. This same LA Girl Pro Concealer, y'all, in the shade Toffee. I have Revolution translucent powder in the shade Banana Deep, but before I apply that, I'm going to go in with that Airspin powder just to brighten it up a little bit, but I'm going to tone it back down with that Banana Deep powder. Water break and B Love's life voice. Y'all, that's my favorite water. But anyway, as I mentioned before, this is where I will set my brows because I forgot to do it beforehand, but I'm doing it now. So here I am, I'm just contouring my nose. I already did my forehead and my jawbone. And it's just some brown powder that I'm using. And I'm gonna apply a little blush. So next I'm gonna go ahead and set everything with my Max Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deep. And I'm just gonna pat that in all over. The same loose pigment that I use for my lid color, I'm just using it as highlighter. And I'm just gonna go in with a brown pencil to outline my lips. Here I'm applying Velvet Teddy by MAC. To top it off, I'm gonna apply some Fenty lip gloss by Rihanna in the shade Fussy because it's summertime. We don't want no dry matte lips. We want that gloss, baby. And I'm gonna set my face with that Mario spray. Just add some finishing touches. I apply my moles because I do have moles in those two areas, so I always apply those back. And I'm just gonna work on this hair, honey. I'm gonna take the Eco Style with my little toothbrush and get the swoop. So I'm just applying some finishing touches, making sure I got everything where I want it to be. Okay, I see you. All done, looking like you're looking. Alright, you all, I'm all done. Just make sure you all like, comment, and subscribe. I will be uploading more makeup tutorials, hair tutorials, vlogs. I might even throw some cooking in. Until next time, have a great day, you guys.